Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make slide transition in CapCut. So if you want to have a smooth professional slide transition in your edits, here I'm going to show you how you can make After Effects style slide transition using only CapCut right on your mobile. So you can start by adding your clips. So here I'm using these two clips right here. You can start by placing two keyframes on the first clip, one in the middle like this and the other one at the end. And on the last keyframe, you can just drag the clip to the right like this. Okay, and now you can do the same thing on the second clip. But on the first keyframe, you can just drag the clip to the from left like this. So, and now once the grabs is added, you can just go to effects, video effects, and add the oblique blur, this one, and you can put the effects at the first keyframe on the first clip and it on the second keyframe on the second clip, under the second clip in here. Okay, and now you can click on the effects, click on objects and choose all videos. Now you can follow my settings. So add the first keyframe on the effects, set the blur to 0 and rotate 100, and on the second you can add another one at the end, and on the middle in here you can set the blur and rotate to 100 like this. Now you can just duplicate the effects 2 to 5 times, and after that the slide transition is done, and this will be the result. So that's how you can make the slide transition in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.